What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the channel again. If you don't know me or your first time tuning in, I'm Chris, and I haven't really done any shows or autocross or time trials, HPDEs, nothing, because I've been working on this car day in, no, not day in and day out, but I've been working on the car little by little here and there, to get ready for paint. So last year I painted the outside with my father-in-law. Came out great. I'm really happy with it. But this year, I ended up doing a roll cage. So I drew up some designs on a little notepad, and I spoke to a shop out in Brooklyn, and they did it for me. So I haven't been able to do much this season because I've just been getting the car prepped for paint on the interior. I like it very clean. It's something that I just personally like. I know it's going to be a race car or an HPDE or a time trial, time attack car, but I still want it to be as clean as I can get it. So this is going to be a video showing you the progress. I'm probably going to flip the camera around and show you guys what's going on with the car and the kind of work that I've been putting into it to try to get it the way or as best as I can get it, So let's move on to that. So the trunk, I don't know how, but ended up with all these chips and scuffs and scratches. So I sanded them all down, did a little primer by hand with a brush. So the next step would be to sand down the primer, make sure it's all nice and smooth. Same thing with back here. This I can understand, you're going to be moving around back here a lot, sizing up the cage, making sure nothing, is out of whack. But then the floor, oh my gosh, this floor has been the death of me. All this sanding I had to do, get rid of all these nicks, scratches, scuffs, and burn marks from the welds, but it's coming together. It's taking a lot longer than I wanted because work and life and everything else. But this is it. So I think I mentioned it in one of my other videos, but I had a shop in Brooklyn named Soul of the Street put together my cage for me, and this is it. I got my roll bar, main hoop, a recessed harness bar, just in case I want to get a bit of a bigger seat later. I'm really happy with the way they did my gussets. This is what I saw on a Toyota a long time ago. If I have the picture still, I'll probably put it in the video now. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. I like this little fold. Top and bottom have the fold, and same thing with my gussets up front. They have a fold here instead of just being a flat piece of metal attaching to the bar and the car body. Got a nice fold at the end, give it a little extra rigidity. The passenger door bar is just straight, but the driver's side has a little kink to it. I don't know if you can see here. It comes out just a bit. Just hits the door, so I'm gonna end up probably having to cut the door or push the inside skin of the door in a bit. I'll figure out what happens with that when the time comes. But yeah, this is what it is. Now I'm gonna cut to some video of me blowing this thing out and vacuuming it, because next step is masking and getting ready for some primer. So here it is. This is the progress of the sedan. Hope you guys enjoy. blew out the car, vacuumed a bit, and I'm pretty happy. I'm probably going to wipe it down with some Prepsol, see if I can get any of these weird orange marks out. If not, then I'll probably move on to a little other sanding from there. But now I'm moving on to the engine bay. This thing is dusty. Let me get out of the sun. Like there's no tomorrow. It's dust, dirt. I don't know how all this crap got in here. But I'm going to blow this out. I'm going to make sure I fill that throttle body with something. I don't want any dirt going in there. But I'm going to blow all this out and then wipe it down, make it look new. There it is, much better, much cleaner. I'm happier with this. This has made my day because it's nice to finally see something clean and put together already instead of dun 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 that. But it's coming along. So clean this up, made it look nice. Is very happy, nice and shiny. Don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I stick with the red OEM Type R valve cover, or should I maybe go with a spoon yellow one that I've got lying around in my garage? I'll probably put a picture right now. So yeah, this is it. I'm happy. This is probably it for today. I'm gonna push the car in and go to work. Tomorrow, hopefully I can wrap this thing up and mask it and tape and get it ready for some primer. So maybe I can paint Friday-ish, Saturday, maybe Sunday if I'm lucky. Sometime over this weekend. It's been hectic. But I'm excited for the next step, and then the step after that, and the step after that, and then finally being able to drive it. So if there's anything else that you guys want to see or some comments, just feel free to comment. I try to get back to everybody, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out, makes me want to make more videos. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. And as always, be well and stay safe. Until next time.